are just craving to get a bite out of this fish meat, make this pan-fried tilapia with lemon butter sauce and have a deliciously tart meal. Season the tilapia fillets with salt and ground black pepper. In a hot skillet, add some unsalted butter and oil, then melt the butter. Cook the fish fillets for 3 minutes per side. Into a sauce pot, add the lemon juice and reduce it into half. Season it with salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder, and stir to combine. Remove from the heat, add the unsalted butter and swirl to melt, then add in the lemon zest and stir to combine. Pour the sauce over the tilapia and garnish with chopped parsley before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.